As now we know that the examiners are asking more questions on applied part, and so all the emergencies, I am sure all of you should be going into detail and reading every topic, every feature about emergency presentation of a patient. One of these presentation in ENT will be stridor. What is stridor? Stridor is noisy breathing. It is a high-pitched or a low-pitched sound which is produced when the air passes through a partially obstructed airway. So when a person is breathing through a partially obstructed airway, some sound is produced, and that is called as stridor. Is it same as stertor? No. Stertor is something which is produced from the oropharynx and the nose and nasopharynx. Stridor is produced from larynx and trachea.